What's up, guys? So, what do you think about who is the strongest player in the history of Mafia City? Not just now, I mean the all time, like since the game has been started. Some of you might say it's Yummy. I think Yummy is probably in top 3, but I don't think he's the number 1. Yes, definitely he's the strongest player now, right now, but I'm talking about all time, guys. This is something, guys, I have never seen in this game, and I don't think it's going to be repeated. This person played this game on speed mode. Like, he ran through this game so fast that it's unbelievable. I will say that he was the true level 100 Mafia City boss. So I'm going to name this person, but you can pause this video right now and comment in the comment section what you think your all-time strongest player is in Mafia City. So the strongest player in the history of Mafia City is Q-Sera. Yes, guys, he's the one that played this game on speed mode. When he started playing this game, I was just getting into making videos about Mafia City, and for me it was unbelievable that how somebody can gain this amount of power so much fast. He reached to 1 billion power, I think, within weeks, like days, I will say, not even week. He was growing so fast that it was for me like unimaginable. I even think at one point I even made a video about this. Maybe he's hacker. That's why he's growing so much fast, because I never seen something like this in this game before, and definitely looked like something was not right, but everything was all right. Just we haven't seen somebody of this caliber in the game before, so that's why I was surprised. But soon I realized that he's the real deal, guys. He started growing so fast, and then he started to appear in Governor. I think at the time there was not even Governor. Once Governor was introduced, he was there. He was not battling a lot, but once he started battling, he was, guys, real strong. Not just power, guys, his stats was also good. And now you will think, maybe why you think he's the strongest in the game? Yummy is actually the same, even better. He's the strongest player in the game. He has so high stats, so everything about his account is perfect. But guys, what makes him different from other players is that he was playing in multiple cities, and he have multiple accounts that have above 1 billion power, above 3000 stats. At that time, I think 4000 biker was maximum. So 4000 biker. He have multiple account doing that. He have multiple account have 4000 bulker. He have one account that was equal to Yummy, that was K1, I believe. That one account was similar to Yummy, and then he have other multiple accounts that was almost at the level of Yummy account, guys. Can you just believe this? He can make his own clan just with all of his account, and nobody was defeating him because he was just so damn strong. He loved this game, guys, I think to the maximum. He spent a lot in this game. He was the real level 100 Mafia City boss. I just still cannot believe how he can work on all those accounts and make them so high stats. So many accounts that was like almost as strong as Yummy account. He was winning Governor, he was winning Interstate, he was winning Vegas, he was winning literally everything. There was no competition for him. If you will check out my older videos, you will see that he was the one, guys, who was winning everything. He was the strongest player in the game. That's why I think he got bored of this game, because now he's not growing at the same speed. Can somebody actually tell me if he's really playing online? Because this Q-Sera account is really looking like he's not doing a lot. One time I actually find him playing in City Royal, and I even attacked him. Unfortunately, I was not able to see his stats because my troops just disappeared. He's not growing at the same speed that he was growing before. But when he was in his prime, guys, there was nobody to challenge him, that's for sure. And still to this date, there is nobody that have done something like him. Just have multiple accounts that are above 4000 stats, max to the everything, and winning Governor, winning Interstate, winning Vegas. Everything was so much easier for him, and that's why I think he got bored and doesn't like to play anymore, because he have done everything, guys. What do you want to do if you already done everything? His goal was to become the #1 player in the game, and he actually did it, and he did it in a style that nobody, I think, will be able to repeat this. That's why I believe that he's the one who was the strongest player in the history of Mafia City. Do let me know in the comment section what you think about this, and like the video, subscribe the channel, do all that Good stuff. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care, stay safe. Peace.